Yeah, so a thought struck me the other day. When Donald Trump supporters stormed the Capitol, and as a consequence of that, people in India, the ones who fondly and very cutely refer to themselves as intellectuals, they started comparing Modi and Trump. They started drawing parallels. Basically, they say that Modi endorses what Trump does all the time. He endorses all his crazy statements and his crazy policies. And why does Modi support them? What is the evidence? The evidence is that, in the words of Veer Das or Swara Bhaskar or the old fossils from that tribe, intellectuals, they said because Narendra Modi invited Trump. That's what Veer Das said. I'm not making this up, and many others. Because Modi invited Trump last year for that Namaste Trump event, that is an evidence that Modi endorses everything that Trump does. Because apparently the concept of diplomacy does not exist in the world, or Modi never invited Obama. Obama was not the first ever head of state who attended Republic Day's parade in India. Okay, that's a different topic. Now, I was wondering, the thought that struck me was that, hypothetically speaking, let's say Donald Trump was going through a divorce, and it was an ugly one, and everybody was blaming Trump for that, and there was evidence that maybe he did something wrong by his wife. I don't know. Now, hypothetically speaking, there can be a number of reasons. I was wondering how can then the intellectuals in India draw parallels? How can they blame Modi? How can they spin a narrative, the intellectuals, how can they spin a narrative through which they can draw parallels between Trump's divorce and Modi's, I don't know what. We know there is a lot of confusion over his marital status. We know that he did not cheat on his wife. There was something else going on. Maybe he wanted to focus on his politics, which is what we know. He was not a very colorful. He's not a very colorful character. He's not a playboy like our Mr. Trump. So how are our intellectuals or the creative people, let's say in Bollywood, going to go about it? This is going to happen. It's a given. If Trump goes through an ugly divorce and he is at fault, it for a fact that Modi is going to be dragged into this whole picture by our intellectuals, by the Shashi Tharoors and all. That for a fact. It's going to happen. Now, how they are going to go about it, that is a mystery. So, if you have any ideas, you can share with me, or you can go to Veer Das's timeline, or I won't say Congress people. They have to do what they have to do, but these are intellectuals: Veer Das, Barkha Dutt, Swara Bhaskar, and all of these. You can go to their timelines and you can suggest them ideas. No offense to anybody. I'm not hoping for a failed marriage. I'm just saying, hypothetically speaking, if that happens. So I'm wondering really, because these are very smart, very intelligent, very creative people. Anurag Kashyap. How are they possibly going to bring an angle through which Modi can be compared with Trump, because Trump got divorced and because he's at fault? So this is how Modi is also at fault, because he invited Trump last year as a token of diplomacy. Subscribe to Legend Martini for your daily dose of lifestyle, movies, fashion, career, health and wellness, and everything else under the sun. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.